Hey, g'day, Trey. Sam here from Trade to Prosper to give you a quick update on what are my thoughts on arbitrum. We played this trade. We actually averaged in here around the bottom. So far, this is the bottom, and we're doing well. We also averaged somewhere in the middle, and so that was my initial investment. If this was to drop further down, I would be buying in that bucket as well, between the 80 cents and the 90 the dollar. And if this was a continued drop down, I would buy further. So I spent a quarter of my budget, and if this was to drop further down, I would buy more. But at this point, we don't know what's going to happen. We see the RSI rising on the, what is it? This is the 3 minute chart. So on the 3 minute chart, the RSI is coming to the top, and from this current scenario, it looks like it could be a bear flag. Or a reversal. It's really hard to say. So what we have, and if we apply Wyckoff philosophy, this is a selling climax. So, well, yep, that was a big drop. I think it went up to $11. We did say between, I think $10 or so, close to there, and yeah, so you hit $11.60 on KuCoin, I believe. So if you imagine this to be a selling climax, give it time, and if we were to do that, this could be a selling climax because the way it dropped. Now the automatic response is not really happening. So because it's a small time frame. So if we were to look at this at the 1 hour, you can see that the 1 hour's got a bit of upward momentum. So the candlestick from this perspective, initial signs that is a reversal candle, the wick, and then there's those two little wicks. So the pressure is upwards on the 1 hour. So we've got that as a resistance. And let's just look at another chart. See what's this one. We've got nothing. Oh, okay. Interesting. Let's do that again. Okay, we've got no Bybit. Yes, we do Bybit. Okay, here we go. Bybit. Not as much because it came out 4 hours later, I believe. So this looks like. Actually, we can't use that, can we? Okay. Let's just do this for a sec, guys. Give me a sec. So that's selling climax. It quotes that one there. Okay. That one there. And Bybit. So what's this one? This one is. Damn it. Can't tell. Forgot what it was. I think it was KuCoin. Okay. Can't recall what this one was, and it won't tell me, would it? Here's KuCoin, isn't it? Yeah, that's KuCoin. Let's just do that. Okay. So we look like we're having support here. So this is a 5 minute chart. We're in a range. Our selling climax is there. Let's just do that for a sec, guys. Ever so small. We had our automatic rally. We're just looking at this. So there is a small ABC there. as you can see. A, B, C. And the question is, which direction is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's just put our Fibonacci into that bucket right there. It is working out to be on the 618. Just stretch that, get the wicks in. Can we do that? Get the wicks in a bit. That do count at this point. And not perfect. That is a wick. Makes a difference. But that does look bullish on the 5 minutes. Our main resistance, that's what we got at the moment. So that was there. That is our main resistance. And I do believe this could be further up to here. Why do I say that? This could be a bigger ABC. So that's A, B, and a C to that level there, potentially. I'm looking for the correction wave. So this our automatic response could be there. We are finding support here, as you can see. So we're in this range. That looks a little bit of a W bottom. So I do think this is going to go up. But long term wise, no idea, guys. It'll be nice to get down there. So if we were to make the assumption, just bring that all the way down, we might be headed down to, well, sometimes 78%. So if that was the case, 60, 68, I think that's gonna, nah, that's just too much. Damn it, this is gonna be hard. Upward pressure, therefore, we'll see how that goes. This does look like a bit of a Wyckoff accumulation at the moment. And if this plays out, we'll see. If this goes up, hits there, comes down, then we're going to know if it's a reversal structure. So this is likely to go like that, get a resistance. And if that's our accumulation, it's going to go up. So this is our, at the moment, this is our breakout line, which is about $1.45. And if not, then we'll see that bottom retested a bit. And that could be our secondary test. Yep. That could be our Wyckoff accumulation on a small time frame. I do feel that this is like there. This could go like that, and then just keep going. What depends what Bitcoin does, right? Or we have this opportunity, comes down and then up. So we might be doing that as well. A double bottom formation, or from there. Well, at least to here anyway. That's a fair bit of move to $1.70, and then we'll see how time goes. Leave it at that, but this is bullish on the 1 hour. Might go sideways for a while, but yeah, I think that'll be a good entry as well. You can see that was a good entry for us. Slightly lower highs, and then if it's either a bear flag or reversal, and I think it might be a reversal. But what would I know? I'm going to leave it at that. Just sharing my ideas, working through it, guys. Got to be in it to win it. This looks bullish. Just the initial stages, this looks bullish. That it can go up. Give it time. I think this will go up. And when you look at it from that perspective, look at it. Oh, come on, give me a break. So this one went up to $11.60. So if we were to say it goes back to no, you want to do that, we're going to do that. And then we're going to do this, break that level, and play with that. Here you go. Here's another strategy. Ah, look at that. That might actually work. Might get up to $1.80. So we'll play around this part and then we'll see how we go. Reverse that. Yep. Might just make it really accurate. Where is it? Damn it. This is going to be really accurate. There we go. Doesn't quite fit. So if we were to just adjust that, just trying the theory. There we go. So the 0.5 could be the resistance. This might go to the 618. We'll see if we get a response at $1.70. I'm going to leave that, guys. This is just theory. Until confirmation, we don't know. Talk to you soon. Enjoy.